Hello, today I am with the Google Pixel Tab and I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks. Okay, so let's quickly start from this standard camera mode, and as you can see right here we can adjust the brightness and the shadows. So to do this you have to just click on the screen, and then on the right side you can find these sliders where you can adjust the brightness and also the shadows. To reset the parameters, just click on this arrow. And on the left side, you can adjust the temperature. And also we can reset to the default by tapping on this arrow. If you don't have these sliders after tapping on the screen, you have to go to the settings. So there we go for the more settings. And when you scroll down, you can find the white balance and the exposure. That's the manual controls, and you have to basically enable them right here. Next, when you click and hold on already selected preset of the zoom, take a look, you will unlock this slider and you can smoothly zoom in and smoothly zoom out. That's how we can do this. Next, we can go to the settings where we can find other useful options. So as you can see, for example, we can enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. And the photo was taken. We can get this button to get a little bit better preview. When you go to the more settings, we can, for example, get rid of the camera shutter sound. And there's also some kind of the gestures. As you can see, we can use the volume keys. They are located right here, as a shutter or as a zoom. So we can decide, but also we can turn them off. Honestly, I want to show you how you can use them as a zoom feature, because when you set it up now as a shutter, you can just basically click once on the volume up or down and the photo will be taken. And by the way, this looks a little messy. I guess that's the problem with my lens. Yeah, it's dirty a little bit, so let me clean it right now. Okay, I guess right now it looks a little bit better. So yeah, right now when you press volume up, we are going to smoothly zoom in and volume down to zoom out. By the way, the quality of this camera is actually not good, as you can see. But yeah, let's move forward. Let's go back to the settings and let's take a look for the other useful options. When you keep scrolling, we can also use this camera mirror effect, so we can turn it on or turn it off. Basically, I can recommend you to turn it on because all the selfies that you take will looks the same like on the preview. And here we can also change the camera resolution. You can switch between full or the medium resolution. When you click and hold on the shutter when you are on the camera photo mode, you are going to record video. When you move your finger to this lock, you don't have to hold this button anymore. And as you can see, it's recording right now. That's the information. But from this video we can also take the photos. So when you open it right here and go for the edit, as you can see, we can export frames, for example this one, and we can export the HDR shot. And there it is. So when you're recording the videos on this Google Pixel Tab, you are also able to take photos of it. When you go for the video mode, just right here we can find like normal standard video mode. That's nothing interesting, but also we can record at the time lapse. Here we can change the speed of the time lapse to 120x. And in the more modes you can find, of course, very useful the Google Lens, where you can find stuff around you. But of course you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you can basically translate. You can find some things in the shops to check the prices. And also there is the photosphere mode where you can take the 360 photos. So you can just point to these dots and you can take the 360 photos. So yeah, that's actually all from the camera tips and tricks for this Google Pixel Tab. There's like a lot of useful options, but a few of them you will probably use. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.